Hello guys, and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to add custom photo widget on iPhone iOS 14. The new update has been released, guys, and it comes with a lot of cool features like app library, photo widgets. You can change the icons of your apps. But for more videos on this topic, make sure to check the channels after you watch this video. So let's hop into it, guys. The first step you need to do is to go to your app store, and we will want to download an app that's called Widgetsmith. Right, is the first one right here. So after you download Widgetsmith, you want to go directly into the app and click open. And now here it will look something like this. Like you can see, we have small widgets, medium widgets, and large widgets. Now, depending on the dimension of the photo you want to add, we're gonna choose one of those. But for this one, for the big visibility, let's choose the large widget. So you want to click add large widget, or the size. We're gonna click again add large widget. Now we wanna click on, let's say, large one, this one. Okay, so this is default widget. Now what we want to do, we want to click on it like this, and you can see we have widgets for team, custom, photos in album, custom text, blanks, calendar, reminders. But we are here to show you how to add a photo. Okay, so you need to press photo in the custom section, and now you will see nothing appears, but you want to swipe up and click on selected photo. Now here we want to choose photo. Choose the photo you want to choose. We're gonna choose a classic cliche like Dubai picture. We wanna let this right here, and now as you can see, our large widget number one, it's a picture with Dubai. We wanna click save, and the next thing we need to do is go to your blank screen, or you need to create some space for the widget, or it's gonna be created automatically. You want to hold on the screen where something's blank, so nothing's happening, no pictures, and you want to click that plus in the top right corner. Now you can see a lot of widgets from iOS, but you want to go all the way, or search even for the app like Widgetsmith. We want to create this, and now it's very important. You need to select the widget size that we have created before. So we have created a large widget, so we are going to create add widget large, and here, as you can see, our picture is showing right here, guys. Okay guys, so if you have enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to drop a like and let me know your comments about it. Also, if you want to see how you can change the color of your app icons, how you can customize your app icons, how you can even create your own app icons, guys, and add them as custom widgets, how you can browse to the app library, how you can use Apple widgets, everything is covered on this channel, guys. So make sure to subscribe to the channel and to check the other videos for all the tutorials and all the nice and better improvement tips and tricks about how to use iOS 14, their new update, guys. Thank you for watching me. Cheers.